Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a simple, healthy and delicious oat banana chocolate chip cake, perfect for breakfast or a snack. In a mixing bowl, combine dry ingredients. Blend 150 grams whole grain rolled oats into a fine oat flour. Mix with 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 60 grams dark chocolate chips. Whisk until incorporated. In another bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas, about 230 grams. Add 2 large eggs, about 110 grams, 2 tablespoons oil, 30 milliliters, 40 grams honey, adjust to taste, 150 grams Greek yogurt or plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Blend until a smooth batter. Fold in the dry ingredients gently. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Top with chocolate chips and almond flakes to enhance the flavors. At 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the toothpick comes out clear. Let the cake rest in a pan for 5 to 10 minutes before transferring to the rack to completely cool. Enjoy with your favorite tea or coffee. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen today. Hope you enjoy this cake with your favorite tea or coffee. Soft and moist cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next recipe. Thanks for watching to the end. That was fun.